How to use Klarna Virtual Card. Want to pay with Klarna everywhere? This guide shows you how to use the Klarna Virtual Card so you can pay with Klarna at any online store. First, you need to open the Klarna app and go to the card section. From there, you can create a one-time card. This is a virtual Visa card with a specific spending amount. You can set the amount that you want to spend including shipping. Once you've created the card, you can use it at any online store that accepts Visa card. Even if the store is not a Klarna partner, just add the items that you want to buy to a cart and go to the checkout page. Select credit card as a payment method and enter the virtual credit card details. You should know that the one-time card expires after 24 hours if unused. If you spend less than the amount on the card, the amount will be adjusted automatically. It is a great way to use the Klarna at any online store. You now know how to use the Klarna Virtual Card. Get ready to pay with Klarna at any online store. Like and subscribe for more financial tips.